All right, we've got the front done. Of course, we don't have the new wheels and tires on yet. They're in the house. Now we're getting ready to do the rear. All right, guys, so here's where we're at right now. I missed some video footage. I think I showed removing the control arm. I missed getting the shock out. I missed pulling the spring out, and the track bar, you can see it propped up on the ground. It is completely loose. It's not connected on the upper end as well. I did get the track bar relocation bracket put on. It requires a hole here. It already has a hole here in the Jeep, but you have to oversize it 5/16 drill bit, and also one down here on the bottom. Alright guys, we have finally got the lift completed, and now we're going to take it outside. It'll be tomorrow. It's done got dark on us. We've got to clean up the garage. We got a mess. We're going to get this thing washed off, and then we'll show you the final results and what all we've done that's a little bit special. Alright guys, finally got the 4-inch lift installed. Little Red has never looked better. Just a really good stance and look. 33-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Legend MTZ tires. These are fuel covert wheels. Is that right, Seth?
Covert.
Huh?
Covert.
Covert's what I just said. Fuel covert wheels. We got our branding on the side of the Jeep. Of course, I got my Force Built logo. Fuel Off-Road, Smitty Built, Fishbone Off-Road, his bumpers, and really like this wheel and tire combo. So some of the things we've done, this is a rough country lift kit, and I'm going to shine a light in here. the springs do not come that color. We color matched the springs to the wheels, and a few of the little bits and pieces, we powder coated those, and it really stands out good in the sunlight. Let me get to this other side, see if you might see it better. Just a good clean look. We powder coated these brackets right here. He replaced all the little faded plastic pieces. He powder coated the shackles to match the wheels. We were going to do bronze stickers to put on the wheels. We decided black on red. Can't go wrong with that. Powder coated all of his door handles. Something I'm particularly proud of. We powder coated his tailgate hinges, and man, they turned out great. Super durable now, and just really like it. Here's Fishbone on the rear bumper. Well guys, that is the completed Little Red paint job lift kit project. We're happy, we like it. We blacked out all of this under here. Rear coil springs, they're bronze colored as well. Just really happy with this lift kit paint job. Everything turned out the way we had hoped it would turn out. So anyway guys, I hope y'all like this series. I know it took us a lot longer than it should have had, but we've got it done and Little Red is looking good. I thank y'all for stopping by and watching and coming back week after week and supporting our channel. It just means a lot to us, and it helps us to continue to want to make videos like this right here. This is the first time that I've showed building a Jeep this much. Well, I mean, you've seen JJ. JJ's been a whole project of his own, but it was because of disrepair on JJ. This Jeep came in good shape and we built him up from that. And I've got to do something to JJ. This Jeep right here is kind of smoking JJ right now. But y'all just leave down in the comments what you think about the Jeep. If you like this build, if it looks good to you, tell me what you think. I thank y'all for stopping by today and watching. Y'all come back next time. We'll see what we got going then.